Now we are at Ketti. Now we are at Ketti railway station. This is Ketti junction. There you can see the railway station, the Ketti railway station. A lot of films were shot in this location actually. So that is the Ketti railway station. We are watching it from here. And this is the original location of Now we are heading towards the Ketti railway station. The place where we can see the pine trees over there. See, on the higher altitude you can see the pine trees. And now we are moving to Ketti railway station from here. It goes to the Ketti railway station. You can see a lot of pine trees. Such a beautiful location over there. See, we came from there to this place now, and we are moving to Ketti railway station now. Okay. Ketti road. Now we are moving towards Ketti railway station. See, you can see a lot of the plants and all over there. Then seen or known. So this is the Ketti station. We are moving towards the Ketti station. This is the meter gauge, the only meter gauge in South India, which comes from Mettupalayam. That is 50 kilometers from Coimbatore. It will come from Mettupalayam to Kunur, Kunur to Ketti. This is Ketti. Ketti to Ooty. Ooty will be the last station. So this is the only meter gauge in South India, and the same thing you can find in Darjeeling. This is the only leftover meter gauge laid down during the time of British. During the time of British, they laid it around 150 years old. 5 minutes. Let me complete it. 5 minutes, and I'll be closing this video here. We'll start the next video in the Ketti. Thanks for watching.